Let's move to housekeeping. The cell needs to clean up its mess. There are two main ways it does this: lysosomes and proteasomes. The lysosome is the stomach. It digests old organelles and bacteria. The proteasome is the shredder, and this is high yield. Proteins that are misfolded or old get tagged with a molecule called ubiquitin. Think of ubiquitin as a kick me sign or a trash sticker. Once tagged, the proteasome chews them up into amino acids. Why is the proteasome in a pathology book? Multiple myeloma. We use drugs like Bortezomib to inhibit the proteasome. If cancer cells can't shred their waste, they choke on their own trash and die. Next, the mitochondria. You know, it's the powerhouse, but Robbins emphasizes its role in cell death. Mitochondria hold the dangerous enzyme Cytochrome C. If the mitochondrial membrane gets leaky, Cytochrome C escapes into the cytoplasm and triggers caspases. Boom! Apoptosis. We will cover this heavily in chapter 2.